Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use split screen on iPhone iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Keeping your software updated ensures compatibility with new features. Once you've confirmed that your software is up to date, go back to the home screen and open the App Store. In the search bar, type split screen and search for apps that offer this feature. Tap on the app you want to use and install it by tapping the Get or Install button. After the app has been downloaded, open the split screen app. Inside the app, you can set up your split screen by pressing and holding on the screen to drag the split screen layout. Now select the apps you want to use in split screen mode. For example, you might choose Instagram on one side and Facebook on the other. As you can see, you now have a split screen displaying both apps simultaneously, allowing you to multitask efficiently. You can easily interact with both apps side by side. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.